This season, Brighton designer Catherine Hong imagines an illustrated version of the Secret Garden Storybook. Catherine hand-sketched flowers based on real flowers found in a secret garden, like chrysanthemums, camellias, and dahlias. She filled in her black lines using watercolor in hues perfect for the season and brought the illustrations to life. Catherine combined her painting with astoundingly detailed embroidery. The stitches add dimension and splashes of color and texture. With custom leather detailing, functional organizational pockets, and hidden messages, these blooming beauties will make your heart flutter.